So hey everyone, I'm at Soma Vineyards currently and I visited this last month. This is a really beautiful place. As you all know, Nasik is famous for its vineyards and a lot of wine industry has arisen from Nasik in India. So they are placed in a Y-shaped manner which helps the grape berries protect from the sunlight. Also this protect these vineyards. We have rose plants planted across the vineyards because roses have a better tendency to get infected first from the diseases. Then let's go inside and here you can see there are the fermentation tanks. The wine is fermented in these tanks and here my guide was showing me the machine that is used to extract the juice for the red wine. So grapes are added from one side and then in this machine it rotates and basically removes the branches and then the grape juice is extracted on the bottom. A lot of you all might be thinking red wine comes because of red grapes and white wine comes because of white grapes, but it's not that. It comes from the skin of the red grapes. So when you crush the grapes with the skin, you get the red color. If you don't crush the skin and just extract the juice, you get the white color, and that's how white wine is made. This is a machine that is used to extract the juice from the grape berries for the white wine. It has a balloon inside which gently presses the grapes, keeping the skin still intact, and that's how you retain the white color because you're not crushing the skin of the red grapes. So now let's see the machine that's used to bottle the wine. So like my guide was explaining, the bottles come from this conveyor belt. So at first washing of the bottles is done. So the nozzle which you see, it pushes up hot water and then it cleans the bottles. And once the cleaning is done, then here the filling is done. So to fill the bottles, you have the fermentation tanks connected here. So you can see from the pipe on the top it comes and then fills the bottle, and also just filling, they clean the pipes with some chemical and water so that the juice from the previous batch doesn't get mixed or doesn't give a different flavor. So once that is done, then on the next step they have the capping of the bottles done. So then he showed me the aging barrels. So some wines are aged more than others to give them a better taste or flavor. And the winemaker keeps checking on them for every 3 or 6 months to see the progress and see if it's not spoiled. So after that tour, our tasting tour began, and I think this was something I really enjoyed because I got to taste 9 different kinds of wine.
Do the tasting on a 4S. Like the first S will be see the wine, second S will be swirl the wine, third S is sniff the wine, will smell the wine, fourth S is sipping the wine, and the fifth S is generally spitting the wine. That is done by the sommeliers and wine taster when they have 100 or 150 wines in tasting while tasting. They cannot sip every wine and do the tasting session. Yes, and again we'll hold the wine by this way, not in the movies like they hold the wine by this or this way.
Okay.
The reason is wine is served at a certain temperature, so we have to maintain that certain temperature, and our hands are quite hot in temperature, so it will affect the wine temperature.
Nice.
So it is always going to be this or either this way.
Okay.
Yes. Start with the wine tasting first. The first S is see the wine. So what do we do in seeing the wine? We'll look if it is crystal clear or not. Just tilt it in this way and just look it in this way. I just said. You can see the wine is clear. Yes, inside.
Yeah.
Yes. Yes. You can hold it in front of you actually. You can see it's clear. If the wine is slightly hazy or maybe cloudy or foggy, the wine is not good to drink. But this one is clear, so you can drink the wine. The second one is swirling the wine. If you cannot swirl it, just keep it on the table in this way and swirl it. So after swirling is sniffing the wine. So this is a Sauvignon Blanc. It will give a characteristics of grassiness or maybe like bell pepper, jalapeno chilies. Do you get those, any of those aromas? Put it in the
There is an aroma, but difficult.
Yeah, it's like a mix of so many.
Which one it is?
bell pepper, Shimla mirch kind of hoga. Jalapeno chilies भी होगा. You can put it inside.
मला jalapeno chilies सारखं जास्त वाटतं.
Jalapeno chilies and bell pepper Shimla mirch will be dominant in this. This is the uniqueness of this grape variety actually. And when you sip the wine, the fourth is when you sip the wine, at least swirl the wine on the palate for 10 seconds and later you can gulp it. Okay. Yes. You swirl the wine all over the mouth and you can sip it.
So this is how it went for all the 9 kinds of wine. So here I was tasting a red wine, and I really enjoyed this place. It was quite peaceful, and especially with Soma Vineyards, I really liked it very much because it felt very personal. The guide who was standing beside me, he gave me a lot of details and he covered a lot of things. So I really thank him, and I hope you guys do visit this place, which is the aim of creating this video. And until next time, bye bye, see you later.